We're also just under a month away from the big reveal. Samsung is set to announce the Galaxy S25 series on January 22. And just today, the complete lineup, including the Ultra variant, just passed through the FCC, and guess what? They're packing some seriously impressive connectivity features. The big news: all three models are getting support for Wi-Fi 7. This is a huge upgrade since the Galaxy S24 series stuck with Wi-Fi 6E because the Exynos 2400 chips in those models didn't support Wi-Fi 7. The only Samsung devices rocking Wi-Fi 7 this year were the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition and the Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. Oh, and even though the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6 have the same Snapdragon chip as the Galaxy S24 Ultra, they won't be getting Wi-Fi 7. Still no word on why Samsung made that choice. But with the S25 series getting Wi-Fi 7, it's pretty safe to say that Wi-Fi 7 will be standard for all Galaxy flagships in 2025. However, ultra-wideband support is only available on the S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, so there's still a bit of a difference in connectivity features across the lineup. Apart from this, we also have confirmation about the long-awaited rumor of using the Exynos or Snapdragon in the base variant of the Galaxy S25 lineup. Now, a fresh report claims that every phone in the lineup will be running Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. No more Exynos chips for the S25 series. This follows earlier rumors that the S25 Ultra would get the Snapdragon, while the S25 and S25 Plus might feature the Exynos 2500. Looks like Samsung's shifting to Snapdragon across the board due to issues with Exynos chip yields. The Snapdragon 8 Elite, launched in October 2024, is a beast. It's a 3nm chip with custom Oryon CPU cores, making it just as fast as Apple's 18 Pro in the iPhone 16 Pro. Plus, its Adreno GPU can handle even the toughest games at a buttery smooth frames with max graphics settings. So, how's everyone feeling about the upcoming Galaxy S25 series? What feature are you most excited about? Let me know, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.